Today we're doing a jog and fish. So jogging about 20 minutes, mile and a half up the creek, fish for a while, jog back. Okay, ran about a mile and a third in 15 minutes, and now we're on stream. So let's fish a little bit. All right, this is the entirety of everything I brought with me. This little pack, which I will unpack in a second. My car key, my kid's smoothie pouch with 8 ounces of water in it. Now let's open it up. All right, there it is. This is everything. This is this little Patagonia fanny pack, ran with that on. Then I've got the Curacao spool in this case, leather case that I made for it. Some extra tippet, sunscreen, hemostats, nippers, Benchmade mini bug out knife, a little box of flies with a 3D printed insert you can get on Etsy, really cool, tiny. And then the Nissan Tenkara Mini 32. Really the only actually pocketable rod that I found. Everybody says it's a pocket rod. It's not a pocket rod if it sticks out of your pocket. So that's the smallest, lightest one. And that's the whole kit. And now we're fishing. Just had a bite in this hole right here. It's never long before you're in the water retrieving the first snag. Lots of sticks on the bottom on this stream. Let's see what we got. Yep. Nice little stick. Now we're in the river though, so there's our way. Got some casting space overhead. So let's look up towards that. Got on Dragon Tail Copper Dawn, which seems like the perfect amount of sink for this stream. Fast flowing, sinks a little bit, not too much to get snagged on the bottom a lot. I'm gonna say fish likely in here. Let's see what we can do. There's a sidearm under all these branches. There we go. Oh, come on, dude. This Nissan Tenkara Mini casts the level line beautifully. And it's a good length for this creek because I can reach the other bank. Oh, there's one. All right, I got a fish on. There's a better fish. See the bend in the rod. Where's he going? Looks like he's right here. That's a better fish. Here, dude. Have a look at you. Fat little rainbow. Wow, pretty fish. Let's get this hook out. Here you go, bud. Take your time. Tired, huh? Let's go. There he is. Another one. Come on, buddy. Oh, beautiful. Look at this guy. Just a little gem. Hey, dude. Awesome. I'm willing to bet there's some in the tail out of this little pool right here. See if we can get one. Got some overhead casting space, so that's nice. And we'll fly first. Keep checking the overhead space. Only takes one overhanging stick to angle it all up. Gotta be some sitting on the base of this thing. There we go. Oh, that was right. Try it again. Gotta be more than one in there. Alright, we moved up a little bit. There's some really nice seams right in here and right in there. And I already had a bite in there. I don't think I scooped them. So we're gonna keep going, trying to get it in the white water so it sinks it, gets it down a little bit. I don't want to tie in the bead head. But there we go, it's in the eddy right behind that rock. If there's fish there, they should be able to see it. Right in that seam. It's always that first cast, right? That gets the bite. And then they're either wise to it. Try hitting that other seam. The pinpoint accuracy of this rod is great. Don't hook the log. There we go. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Because of this log jam here, we got a pretty deep pool. If I can get it up to this log right there, I think I'll get a fish. Let's try. There we go, right next to the rock. Gotta get a fish in the rock right there. There it is. There it is. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good fish. Yeah, let's get that one. Go into the stream. Keeping the rod working for us. It's going downstream, but that's okay. Not a lot of current. This rod will do just fine. Let's get the line. Phone and hand line. No problem. Alright, pop off. Put the slide down. Maybe. Nice 10-inch fish. Hook out of here. Barbless hooks for the win. Beautiful. Alright, here you go, bud. Later. So I'm gonna change flies just because I want to use a friend's fly now. All right, we were fishing this little Copper John. Dragon tail, love these guys. They're perfect for this stream, but the other thing that's perfect is Ichiban Kabari by Jason Class. It's got 2 glass beads on the top, so it sinks about the same. Beautiful little fly, so let's put that on. All right, we got that tied on. This goes back in here. Close it up. So that one I caught was hugging the bottom right by this rock. I could put it through one more time there. May as well. And kind of just drop it and let it float past. This is somebody else there who's hungry. But it might be the only one who's there. One more time. Yeah, keep moving up. Approaching another good looking spot. I bet you anything there's a fish behind this rock. So let's try to hit it. That was in the current. Let's try to hit the seam next to the current. All right, I've been fishing for about an hour. Caught, I don't know, 4 or 5. This is firmly in what I call one last fish territory. And one last fish can last minutes or it can last hours. Hopefully today it's minutes because I got work to do at home. But we're just walking up the stream, casting in front of us. We're sometimes just hugging the floor of the stream here in these slower sections. So just keeping the fly in the water. Got to be something holding beneath this waterfall somewhere. So we're just gonna pick this pool apart, little by little as we walk up. Oh, just saw two. I just saw a fish chase my fly downstream and then go back up, so we know there's something in here. So we're just gonna walk up slow. Keep getting it in front of us as far as we can. The old crouching fish. Keep low. See what happens. Just had a bite up at the top of the pool. Let's see if we can pull him again. There we go. There we go. There's one. Right. Jumper. Right. Got it. Rod. There, dude. There you go. Nice little rainbow. Awesome little fish. Here we go. And now comes the point after one last fish. And you're like, what about one last fish? There's 12:15. I arrived at 10:45. I was fishing at 11, so I fished about an hour. So time to go home. Here we go. Well, I didn't want to leave this hole without putting it through one more time, so I caught one last fish. And here's one last fish. Come on, smaller fish. Beautiful. That's not blood, that's the red kabari. Look at that fat little belly on this guy. What's up? You are so cool. All right, wow, there you go. Later. All right, so that was the second one last fish, but now I have to put it through again to see if there's a third one last fish before I leave the hole, right? You can't just leave the hole. If there's a hot hole, like, we gotta fish the hole. So here we are, hunting for our third last fish. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Oh yeah, that was good. Get it down there. All right, well, I gotta get back to the trail, so I gotta walk upstream a little bit anyway, so I may as well just fish while I'm here. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I should probably just fish while I'm starting back, right? Oh, there's one. Spook two. Alright, so I spooked two fish. Back into the front of this pool. If I can stay low, flying there. So the trail's just up here, and there's good overhead casting space. So I'm just walking and casting. Man, this rod is really a joy. It's so small that I can run with it, but yet it just casts beautifully. Effortless. They make it in a shorter version, like a 270 or something, and they also make a 360 in the same exact size handle. And I'm in a tree. Dang, 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 dang it. All right, I lost that fly in a tree. That's the universe telling me to go home. So I'm gonna spool it up and head out. All right, unfortunately, sometimes you find trash on the stream. I'd say a lot of times, this particular stream. I got a Doritos bag, a Capri Sun, and about 100 feet of black tubing to pack out. Can I run with this? We're gonna find out. First, Gonna drink my water, which I find hilarious. This is like my toddler's pouch. 8 ounces of water, only tastes a little bit like strawberry. Okay, we're jogging, and we're dragging 50 feet of black pipe behind us. A little face rinse, cool off. Oh yeah. Before I get back to the car. Say goodbye to the stream. Bye to the stream.